September 21st, 2020 vocabulary. So we're going to drag and drop these definitions and examples into the missing boxes here. We already have the vocabulary word or the terms given to us. So let's see. The first one, sum. A sum. Here's an example. When you add two things, this is the sum down here. So what does it mean to be the sum? To solve or find the value of? Okay, but the sum is really the answer of it. How about the answer to an addition problem? Yeah, sum, answer to an addition problem. So you'll drag and drop that there. Difference. So if the sum was the answer to an addition problem, the difference, would that be to solve? Well, it's going to be the answer to some kind of problem. Answer to a subtraction problem. Awesome job. Now, we also need an example. So the difference, when there's an answer to a subtraction problem, where's the subtraction problem? This one's subtraction. He's actually subtracting chicks. Little chicks. Now, order of operations. So, in the order of operations, here's an example. You can use PEMDAS with the order of operations, but what really is the order of operations? Is it to solve or find the value of something? Well, essentially, but the order of operations tells you how to do it. So, would it be the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved? Yes, it's the way in the order of operations, the order of which you solve problems in your the order of which you solve problems in your problem. PEMDAS, an acronym for the words parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's what we like to say. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Here's a nice picture of it, and bada bing, bada boom, perfect. The last one, it should match up here. Let's make sure. Evaluate. Does that mean to solve or find the value of? It sure does. So go ahead and put that in this box, and then, whoa, why won't it go this way? Whoa. All right, so evaluate, when you have something, they're solving these, 8 plus 11, they're evaluating these. And then you are all set with vocabulary.